A woman who was charged in killing a 3-year-old Conrad Ashcraft at a daycare is now out on bond. Loved ones are voicing their frustrations today as they continue to pray for justice. Annie Krall is in the newsroom after talking with Ashcraft's family and friends about the suffocation that happened in St. Francois County. Annie.
Kelly, back in May, Ashcraft was found dead under a weighted blanket at a daycare in Park Hills. The toddler was nonverbal and had autism. Many who knew the energetic boy said that made his passing all the more tragic since he couldn't shout out if he couldn't breathe.
Grief does not follow a timeline.
That's the reality after 3-year-old Conrad Ashcraft was found dead inside Poppy's playhouse. His mother, Tara, saying in a recent statement, quote, "Conrad's purple, smushed face will forever be burned into my mind and forever haunt me, no matter where I go in my sleep or while I'm awake. The memories of seeing his small, lifeless body laying there face down."
It has still been very heavy for them.
The former daycare worker, Tiffany Hedrick, is out on bond after being charged with murder. Ashcraft's grandmother sharing after Monday's hearing how she sat there and watched Hedrick's attorney, quote, "plead for her children and their needs," pleading to the judge about how much she is needed at home. Being able to spend time with her children in a way Andrea Berry, a family friend of the Ashcraft family, says Conrad's mom will never be able to do again.
And as a mother, in the flesh, that really hits deep. And we just have to continue to make sure that she knows that she's lifted up with the community.
A St. Francis judge reduced Hedrick's bond to $200,000.
There is no amount of money that is going to ease that pain.
Barry is also a pastor at Crossroad Worship Church in Farmington.
We have been there, for them with all of their prayer needs, their spiritual needs, just really lifting them up and being there for them just to vent.
Ashcraft's loved ones are currently working on legislation called Conrad's Law that would require changes to using weighted blankets and add more mandatory trainings.
And all those things to keep this from happening to another family.
Hedrick has pleaded not guilty. Her attorney tells us they look forward to challenging the evidence in court. Hedrick's next hearing is a case review scheduled for January 26th.